Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video, guys. Today I have something really exciting for you guys, because this will be the first video of a small series on my channel, which will be about Sonic, guys. So Fantom is now Sonic, guys, as you can see by the title of this video. So yeah, it used to be called Fantom previously, but they rebranded, and I will explain the rebranding to you in today's video. In other upcoming videos we will discuss some other things. I'm currently working out some ideas that I want to share with you guys, and obviously I would appreciate if you have any questions regarding Sonic that maybe you would want to, I don't know, like explore, and I could make a video about those for you. So you can let me know in the comment section, but I have some ideas in mind already. So definitely, guys, stay tuned, because there will be some cool content about Sonic, in fact, which is, by the way, at a really nice entry point right now, so you could consider adding it to your portfolio perhaps. But yeah, guys, obviously before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So Sonic DeFi redefined, highest performing EVM layer 1, combining speed, incentives and world-class infrastructure powered by S, which is their token. So you can also stake it, which is pretty cool. You can earn some more Sonic. You have about 5% APR right now, which is pretty cool. I would say it's better than just, hodling on your exchange or in your wallet. You can make it work for you, and you can always get some additional Sonic. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But hey guys, let's talk about the rebranding, shall we? So Fantom was one of the biggest names in crypto, and probably many of you are familiar with it. So it was fast, cheap and loaded with DeFi apps. It had legendary protocols like Tom Finance, and was even led by Andre Cronje, who is a DeFi icon. So you definitely, if you are in DeFi for a long time, then you definitely know the name. But over time, faster chains emerged and the bear market hit hard, and Fantom started fading slowly. So it kind of became a ghost chain until now, guys. Fantom has been reborn as Sonic, bringing lightning fast speeds, a new economic model and a fresh wave of innovation, guys. So that's what they have become. And before we jump further and talk about all the speeds and stuff, I would recommend you to stay tuned with all their social medias as well. Follow them on their Twitter, follow the Telegram, follow all the social medias, so you can stay updated with Sonic, because there is a lot of things happening within this chain, guys. And if you want to be updated, then you should definitely be following them. So let's jump further forward. So Sonic isn't just a name change, guys. Obviously it's a complete technical upgrade as well. So let me talk about some points that make it special. So first of all, they have lightning fast transaction speeds, about 400k TPS, guys, which is crazy. Okay, so to visualize this, Ethereum has like 100 TPS, Solana has like 3000 TPS. So Sonic is just crazy, as you can see, transaction speed of over 400,000 TPS, which is absolutely insane. So it's so fast that some DeFi apps had to upgrade their own systems just to keep up, and that means faster trading, better farming, no lag, small transaction cost. As you can see, the average is 1/100th of a cent. No, it's 1/10 of a cent. Yeah, 1/10 of a cent. So it's pretty much nothing, to be totally honest. So that's crazy, guys. And jumping further forward, we can talk about their $1 billion TVL surge and airdrop hype, because that's definitely worth mentioning. So numbers don't lie, guys. Sonic is blowing up. In just 3 months, the TVL has skyrocketed from 150 million to nearly $1 billion. So they surpassed Polygon, Aptos, Sei and Cardano, So that shows you how huge Sonic is, how big the trust of the community is in Sonic. And speaking of community, guys, again, join those freaking social medias. They also have a nice blog, by the way. Let me pull it up for you. There is a lot of cool articles here, and they also talk about the technology and about updates, about all the events. There is multiple newsletters, informations, guides, tutorials. There is pretty much everything, guys. Okay, and there is also a huge part of the success, guys, which is the massive 200 million Sonic token airdrop. So that's over $120 million in rewards for users, and if Sonic's price keeps climbing, that number could even double or triple, which is huge, because there is still a lot of potential in the current market cap that they have. They are ranking about 55th on CoinMarketCap, so it can show you how much potential it really has. Okay, so that's absolutely huge, guys. So if you want to be in on the action, you can farm Sonic's airdrop by holding assets, using DeFi apps, and earning gems through the ecosystem. So all the links will be down below in the description, so you can get started with that, guys. So that's also what I wanted to tell you. Again, I want to remind you about staking as well. If you already hold some Sonic, or if you will plan on buying, I could make a tutorial how to stake it as well if you guys want. Then for sure that would be possible to make. They also have this nice light paper, so if you want to be familiar with all the stuff that they're doing, they have the whole table of contents here. So if you don't want to read whole thing, which I mean, you could read the whole thing because it's 18 pages, so honestly it's really cool to read, and it gives you idea of what they're doing, how they are building, and well, what they are doing essentially. So yeah, I would definitely recommend to go ahead and go through this light paper, guys. But overall, this isn't just another blockchain, guys. It's one of the fastest growing ecosystems in crypto right now. So I don't know, guys, do you think it will be the next big thing? Because I certainly think that it will be. Let me know in the comments, I want to hear you. And if you are farming that airdrop, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe for more Sonic updates, because as I said, there will be more videos coming about them. So yeah, let's integrate in the comments, let's have some chat here, guys, and that will be it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.